Hello children, welcome back to my class. I, Kiran Thakur, your English teacher, have come back with a new video for you all. Children, today I will continue with chapter number 10, Owl and the Moon. As we have already finished reading an explanation part of this chapter, today we will continue with its exercises. So let us start with its some of the opposite words. So number one, short. What is the opposite of short? It is tall. Opposite of old is new. Opposite of sweet is sour. Opposite of cold is hot. Opposite of heavy is light. Opposite of thick is thin. And the last one, opposite of high is low. Children, now let us continue with some of its question answer. Answer these questions. Question number one. Why did Owl feel a little sad at the seashore? Owl felt a little sad at the seashore because everything was dark. Okay, children? Because everything was dark. Question number two. Why did Owl not want the moon to come home with him? Children, as we know that Owl and Moon, they were friends. So why Owl not want the moon to come home with him? Owl did not want the moon to come home with him because Owl thought that his house was small. He thought that the moon would not fit through the door. Okay, children, that is why Owl did not want the moon to come home with him. Excuse me. Next question is number 3. I think that you can't hear me. So Owl climbed to the top of a hill. He shouted as loudly as he could, "Goodbye, moon." Children, this line is taken from the story. So let us solve some of question answers related to this line. Number 8. Why did Owl think the moon could not hear him? Owl thought the moon could not hear him because Owl kept telling the moon to stay where it was. But the moon kept following him. Means the owl was telling to the moon continuously that to stay at the same place where the moon is. But moon did not listen to him. Okay? And it kept on following the owl. So now number B. Why did owl say goodbye to the moon? Owl said goodbye to the moon because Owl was going home to sleep. Okay, children? Why? Because Owl was going to home to sleep. Number C. Was the moon able to hear Owl from the top of the hill? No. The moon could not hear him. Yes? Your answer is no. The moon could not hear Owl. Because Owl was continuously telling to stay there only, but Owl did not hear him, isn't it? He continuously followed to the Owl. It shows that that moon could not hear him. Yes? Next. What a good friend you are. This line is also taken from the story, children. So let us solve some of its questions. Number A, who says this line? Owl says this line. Which line, children? What a good friend you are. This line. Who says? This line is said by owl, isn't it? Who is the good friend to the speaker? Who is the speaker here? Who is the speaker? Owl. Okay, children? So the moon is a good friend to the speaker. Do you agree with the speaker? Why or why not? Means what you have to agree with the speaker? What? That this line, you go through this line. What a good friend you are. Do you agree with this? The speaker said this line, isn't it? The owl said this line. So do you agree with this line? If you agree, yes. If yes, then why? If no, then also why? You have to give the answer. Let's see. Yes, because the moon stays with the owl and lights his path. It fills owl's room with light and makes him feel better. So that is why they were good friends. Now next. Why was Owl not sad anymore? What was the reason Owl was not sad anymore, children? Owl was not sad anymore because his friend the moon was shining outside his window. The moon had filled his room with light. That means his friend was continuously there with him, isn't it? That is why his room was filled with the light, right? So that is why Owl was no more sad. Children, here we have finished today's video. Thank you children for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and take care.